Hey, y'all already know I had to be the one to grill, right? Y'all already know. But Keita is on the way over here too, so we're gonna be putting some fish on there. That's what she want. We're gonna put some fish on there, and I don't know whatever else going, but ain't nothing gonna be cooked in the house. Everything going on the grill. I'll see y'all in the next clip. Okay. Look at her.
Tell them. Tell the people. Tell the people. You lied. Tell the people.
Alright, y'all, I'm about to get these barbecue neck bones together. I have boiled them just about 5-6 minutes, long enough to get them clean. Now I have cleaned them. I'm about to season them up, put me some onion, bell pepper, all that good stuff, and I'm gonna show y'all. And this ain't really a tutorial, but we about to barbecue today. We is, y'all. That's what the pan of neck bones gonna look like with seasoning and stuff, you know. Look at mama. Why you won't let me pull the table? Why you won't let me pull the table? Alright, y'all, I got the neck bones ready, seasoned up, bell pepper, onion, butter, all that seasoning down in there already. We're gonna wrap this up and they're gonna go on the grill until they get tender. Alright, y'all, look at that. I got some ribs, pork chop, corn, and some potatoes all out here on the grill going, y'all. Getting it ready. Okay. Grandma, tell them hey. This how we do, y'all, when the crew get together. What's up? Y'all gonna tell them hey? Hey! Hey! Y'all already know I had to be the one to grill, right? Y'all already know. But Keita is on the way over here too, so we're gonna be putting some fish on there. That's what she want. We're gonna put some fish on there, and I don't know whatever else going, but ain't nothing gonna be cooked in the house. Everything going on the grill. I'll see y'all in the next clip. Okay! Alright, y'all, this is what the meat is looking like. Never mind the little Cajun ones right there, you know.
You know when you at somebody else's house, you gotta see everything they got. I got to make. She ain't even got no can.
And Keita's finna make some tuna fish double eggs, y'all. So y'all gonna see the recipe on that too.
Nice bowl.
Hey, Miss Ella.
You make the tuna fish how you want to make your tuna fish.
Alright, y'all, so the neck bones, this is what they're looking like so far. They've been on the grill for a little while. And so now I'm about to add some barbecue sauce to them bad boys. And let them finish going for what they got. All the sauce through. Mom, say something to the camera.
What's going on with y'all?
Man, my Angie told him. My Angie. So, what were you doing? Let us know what you were doing.
Having me a good time.
Oh, yeah. So, what we doing in the house?
Having a good time.
Right there. And that big thing.
I know. I'm finna get it.
So why you ain't putting your hands on none of this food?
I'm not even looking at Tiana right now. That's what I was.
All us in here working, cooking rice and all
and
kind of stuff.
Girl, I don't never say did the foot.
You got the
You might well
paprika.
stay here because everybody's gonna do a taste test.
Huh?
You might well stay
Oh, I
here.
just taste
Taste test.
Come on, my Angie. I gotta record myself.
You forgot me.
Tuna fish and devil eggs.
It's good, y'all.
Tuna fish and devil eggs.
Yeah, that's good. I would never thought of this. Me either.
Mm-hmm.
That's good. Just a little salt, but it's
Girl. You know what to set it off?
Some crackers.
some who?
Throw you a little onion powder up in there.
What onion powder?
Girl, throw you some onion powder. Just sprinkle the top on. You can sprinkle the top on with some onion powder. With some onion powder. Child.
We finna dress it up right
Put that onion. Child.
Look at my legs.
Y'all, look at mama holding the table. Won't let me slide it, y'all. Look at the table, y'all. Y'all, look at the table on grandma's leg right here. Grandma. Look at this table, y'all. Y'all see this table on grandma's leg right here. Look at this table. Watch mama won't let me pull it. Look at mama. Mom. Why you won't let me pull the table? Why you won't let me pull the table? Every weekend, listen. Every weekend we go through this, don't we, Mom?
Yes, we do.
Tell them about your side.
No,
Tell them about your side of the story.
Anyway, we went somewhere one night. Every time I try to get a seat, so they like to hold the table. They like to hold the table. No, we were on the table. We was not on the table. We got on the every table. You got covered up. When we was there, every time I try to sit down, you pull.
We sliding off the. We sliding off the doggone bar seat chairs, y'all. Because of her. Because every time we sit down to the table, you know where we went. You know where we went. Listen, and every time we tried, you got amnesia.
That night we went, me and you.
I love y'all ass.
So it wasn't you. So it wasn't you.
Me.
It wasn't you.
It wasn't me.
So every time I sat up on that bar stool and I tried to even cough, I flew off the chair.
You, me. Joey, I don't know. If you don't know, I don't know.
We ain't got
both of you.
No, we ain't.
What we was?
I don't know the name. Okay, well, I tell you. I tell you we got this camera.
Look at her.
Tell them. Tell people. Tell the people. You lied. Tell the people. Tell them.
Look at her.
Tell her.
Look at her.
No.
Y'all listen.
No,
Y'all listen.
You.
Y'all listen. Both of them cancers, y'all. Both of them. Both of them cancers, y'all. Both of them is cancers, okay? Both of them is just alike. One is not gonna outdo the other.
You right. Hold on.
Listen, we have problems with her when it's time to sit down, y'all, okay?
Hey, baby.
No.
We have problems with her.
No.
Every time we try to sit down, we got to move the table, slide the toilet, tell her to get up. I told her, if we slide this table one more time,